Hello everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. If your Windows PC feels slow, sluggish, or unresponsive, there may be background services running that you don't actually need. In this video, I'll show you 7 Windows services that you can safely disable to reduce background activity, improve performance, and in some cases, increase your privacy. Let's get started. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Services, press Enter. This will open the Services window where we can manage background services running on your PC. The first service is Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Simply scroll down, find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry, right-click it, select Properties, change the startup type to Disabled, and click OK. Next is Device Management Wireless Application Protocol, often called WAP Push Service. Most home users never use this service. Right-click the service, select Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled, and click OK. After disabling telemetry-related services, you'll also gain a bit more privacy. The next service is Program Compatibility Assistance Service. This service continuously monitors programs looking for compatibility issues. If you regularly update your software and don't rely on older applications, you can safely disable it. Locate the service, open Properties, set Startup Type to Disabled, and click OK. Do you use Windows Hello Facial Recognition or Fingerprint Login? If not, you can disable Windows Biometric service. This service supports biometric authentication. If you only use a password or PIN to sign in, disabling it can reduce unnecessary background activity. Next is Windows Search. Disabling this service won't completely remove the Windows Search feature. Instead, it disables indexing, which constantly scans files in the background. On older PCs, especially those using traditional hard drives, indexing can cause high disk usage. Disable it if you don't need instant search results. Another service you can disable is Windows Error Reporting Service. Whenever a program crashes, Windows asks if you'd like to send an error report to Microsoft. Most users never benefit directly from these reports. Disabling this service can reduce background processes and improve responsiveness. The final service is Diagnostic Policy Service. Press Windows key plus R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Open the Services tab. Before making any changes, check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. This ensures you don't accidentally disable essential Windows services. Now you'll see only third-party services installed by other software. After making these changes, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. It's also a good idea to create a system restore point before modifying services, just in case you want to undo any changes later. You can disable services that you don't need running all the time. If a program stops working properly later, simply come back and re-enable its service, and that's it. These are 7 Windows services that many users can safely disable to reduce background activity and potentially improve system performance.